Okay, so we just got a little bit of leftover paint from this one over here, so I'm just going to pour it onto that little guy there and see how it comes out. I don't know if there's going to be enough here to actually cover the whole surface, but we're going to find out. And that was almost pointless because this cup is these little paper cups are horrible. If you're gonna buy little cups, we bought these little is this it? Yeah, these little plastic ones, and they're great. I mean, you know, obviously you won't want to waste plastic or paper for that matter, but we can't reuse them. And when the cups dry out, we just flip them and use them for little holders for whatever you're doing. So you can use them 2 or 3 times at least. But all right, maybe. I'm gonna do this a little bit just to help it spread around. It's definitely pretty colors. Let's see how that all comes out there. All right, I don't know if that didn't do anything. All right, let's just do a little bit of maneuver in here. And so if you watched the other video with the ocean looking one there, I don't know what I'm going to title it yet, so I'm sorry, I don't know what it's called, but the picture I pointed out over to the side there at first, it'll have a description of all the colors and the paints and what I used, and put a little silicone in there and all that kind of good stuff. So you can check that other video out if you want more of a description, or of course you could always ask me in the comment section. So I'm trying to get it to cover the sides before I drip it off. Just trying to get as much coverage before I start actually dripping it off. Not only that, I really like that part up there. I was trying to save it, so I think I'm pretty happy with the coverage here. It's actually covering more than I thought it would. So let's go ahead and we'll start letting it drip over the sides there a little bit. Okay. Stand up. It's always easier for me to stand up for some reason. Let's get that corner over there. Corner's good. Let's start going back this way. I really want to try to save that. I don't want that to fall off too much. I really like the way that looks. Although I should have went over the corner a little bit more there, but live and learn. What are you going to do, right? I'll tell you what you're going to do. You're going to lean it back and go back over it again. All right. Let's get this little corner over here a little bit. Eventually we're going to buy some silicone mats and let this paint dry up on it, and then peel off the pieces and maybe make jewelry out of it. So not only does it save the paint, it's not going to waste, but you also get more out of it too. All right, let's try to bring that brown back in here a little bit. Let's get it going this way here. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna take a couple of these old cups here and set them there. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and just tap the sides here a little bit with my finger, just to make sure you get your full thing covered. You could even, you know, take other paint or whatever and tap the sides. Doesn't matter. As long as it's somewhat, you know, matches the paint that's on the top. And this blue I'm putting on here does not, so I'm going against what I just said, basically. Oh, babe, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Okay, shoot. We're losing it, folks, we're losing it. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Let's borrow a little bit of this thickness on the bottom here. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, it's definitely, if you can help it, try to take the paint from the paint you're actually using instead of adding new colors or anything. A little bit right there. These cheap canvases start to come undone. I think once they dry, we have to probably glue the sides back on because they are really cheap. I will say, if you're just getting started, maybe go and buy a few cheap ones so you feel comfortable. But as the old adage goes, you get what you pay for. It is so true. These cheaper canvases are crap. So buy good ones, buy ones that are stretched, maybe even pre-primed. I don't know how big of a deal that is, but definitely stretch canvases. And you know, if you can get 3 for $8, or you can get 3 for $12, the 3 for $12 are gonna be 100 times better. So if you can afford it, spend a little bit more money. But totally understandable if you can't. Gotta go with what you gotta go with. Do a few basic ones and sell those, get some money to buy better ones, right? Right. All right, well anyways, so that was it. That was just a quick little video just to use up the leftover stuff. We've got a lot that we do that to. Let's see, here's one. So we got a lot that we do it to, which is the leftover paint. And eventually we'll have you know, sets of them. And we've got even these ones I bought, found on Amazon. They come with their own little easels. So it's, you know, you can be able to set it down on a desk or whatever, set it down like that. Sorry, my camera's so close. Try to back out a little bit here. There we go. Yeah, so if you were to put the little easel on there and you can, you know, have it on your desk or whatever, wherever you want, pretty cool. So these are pretty cheap, but you know, like I said, it's good for the leftover paint, and eventually you get a set and you can sell them in sets or sell them singly or however you want to do it. But that is that video. Let me get you guys a little bit of a close-up here before I let you go, just so you can see how it came out. So this is the one I just finished right here. I got another video that you can check that one out. Did a drag method, but all the drippings, I mean not the drippings, all the leftover paint in the cups here, I mixed into 1 cup and poured here. And that's how we got our little 6x6 coaster, or whatever you want to call it, easel painting. So that came out really cool. Yeah. All right, we'll see you next time.